Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Cathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have a haul video for you today. Cathy was actually able to go to an estate sale recently, and she picked up a few things, and she wanted to share those things with you. So here's Cathy, and she'll show you what she got.
Hey guys, yeah, so I went to an estate sale on Thursday. This has been in my cart ever since, so I kind of forgot a lot of what I already bought. But the total of everything you're about to see was like $70 and some change. If you don't pay cash, you have to pay like a 3% fee, and I only had like $10 in cash. So I gave him my 10 bucks, then I owed like 60 whatever, plus the 3% fee on the 60, so about $70. So yeah, we'll just jump right in. I don't go to estate sales often anymore. We used to, but COVID. So yeah, I was excited to finally get to go to one. These are the brand Judy Blue, which I've never heard of. Because they were new with Tag, I looked them up, and they seemed like they were gonna do okay. Like $30 to $40 range, and I think the jeans were like technically $3, but like as they don't value the clothes and stuff at estate sales around here, so like if you get a whole bunch, they usually are just like, how about $10 for all those things that you see here. So I don't think they charge me $3 for each pair, but we'll count them all up at the end and kind of like divide by whatever we got. So I did get another pair of those. So these are just both size 1 or 25. So I guess like 1 would be like a youth size, but then I don't know. So I'm gonna have to look into that. I don't know if these are juniors jeans or just like a really small women's, because the 1, like the odd numbers are usually junior sizing. So, but then I thought 25 was a women's size. So I don't know. I'll learn something new when I list those. But yeah, these ones aren't new, but they look like they've probably been worn once. So I grabbed those, and then I got these 2 jeans. These are girls, size 10, just Grace in LA. Never sold the brand. It reminded me of like a Miss Me or something, yeah. Adult jeans. So comps looked okay. Even still, these are a little heavy, even though they're girls jeans, because of all those bedazzled booty stuff. So they probably are gonna cost like $8 to ship out, but I did see people were paying it. So yeah, 2 pairs of those. Both size 10 girls. I just thought this was adorable. This is just a little Wizard of Oz.
Oh, the Tin Man.
Tin Man costume, and now I'm seeing like some stains on it, so definitely, yeah, I'm gonna wash all of this. All the clothes there were just kind of jumbled in like piles and stuff. It wasn't hung nicely, and who knows if it got washed ever, so.
Oh, and he's got his heart.
And those are the pants that matched it. So this they had priced at $5. I'm pretty sure he did not charge me $5 for it. Alright, and then this I just grabbed because it said Martha's Vineyard, and I feel like that's something that people like. So it's just a plain sweatshirt. It's just a Gildan tag, so it's not vintage or anything. This looks like a food stain that should be pretty. It should just wash right out. It doesn't look like it's set in, but otherwise, it doesn't look. It probably was worn like one time. It doesn't have like washwear or anything. And then this is something I've never heard of, just Cowgirl Hardware. But I know like a lot of horse type stuff can do well, so it looks like a girl's sweatshirt, size large. I don't know, it's probably like a 10, 12 or something. But it was in good, well, it's stained, you can see that. But these are like stains that I know will just wash right out. So we'll get that washed. It has the little horse on the back. I think comps were like $25, $30 or so on those.
Is that embroidery on the back? Or is it just like...
Yeah, it is. And then some like little jewels, fake jewels. That'll probably pop off when I put it in the washing machine. They had a bunch of stuffed animals. I just grabbed a few Build-A-Bears. So this, I think they were all selling around $20, except maybe a little less on this guy. So yeah, this is just what kind of dog is this?
Maybe a bulldog?
Bulldog or something, yeah. So people like dogs, so I figured I'd look up the dogs.
Everybody likes dogs.
I think this was a golden retriever.
Yeah.
And then these were Timon. This is Timon, right? Or not?
The meerkat and the...
Oh, meerkat. Pumbaa, right?
The warthog. Yeah.
Pumbaa.
Timon and Pumbaa. Pumbaa is the warthog.
Okay. So yeah, I think this one was at least going for $20. I don't remember what this one, but these were like $2 each, but I don't think he charged me $2 each. And then this.
Are they branded Lion King? Or
these are all just Build-A-Bears.
Okay.
I mean, it does say Disney Lion King on it.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Looks more like a realistic version. So I guess maybe the live action movie, are they newer?
Probably.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't have a date or anything.
I guess live action, if that's what you want to call it.
This I kind of just got for myself. It's just a Yankee candle, still new in box. It's a Christmas type one, but I'll probably burn it way before that. Do you guys burn all the Christmas kind of scents? And fall scents are like my favorite. Those are the ones I use all year. So, I don't know. What do you guys use for candles? Do you use, in the summer, do you still burn like balsam and whatever, cedar?
I do, but I'm a man. I like those manly scents. Is that a manly scent?
That, I kind of, I don't know.
More woodsy?
Yeah. This is just a Rockies. It's pink Victoria's Secret Rockies tank top. So usually the pink Victoria's Secret, like NFL stuff, has done well for me. So I grabbed that. I think tanks are like $1 at these sales.
Hopefully the MLB does well, because that's not NFL.
So I grabbed this, even though I see staining on it. It looks like it'll just wash out again, but and it was missing its little thing, but it's Matilda Jane, a little robe. Hopefully somebody will want it without its tie. They did also have the matching pillowcase. I don't know if I'll sell them together or separate. Okay, this is weird, but so Emily Conway has sold some of these, and I thought it was so funny. And they just price food at like 50 cents. It's unopened. It's not expired. So I think one box of this is going for like $15 free shipping on eBay. And let's see. It's like under 8 ounces. Even if I put it in a box, probably a whole pound would cost like $5.50 to ship. Or I could probably just pad it up with some bubble wrap and not put it in a box and ship it out for like $4. So it's just kind of a fun thing, I guess.
We're food resellers now. Huh? Popcorn?
I just bought this for myself. I was a little hungry when I was shopping, apparently. I don't know. Is that weird? Buying, it's not opened. It's not expired.
I think it's weird, but that's probably just some
weird.
random mental block for no reason. But yeah, it's sealed, so it should be fine, right? My thing is, like, it could just be like, it could have been stored wrong, right? Like, it could have been
popcorn
in somebody's car.
It's not like freezer food or something.
I know,
It's
but
not even. I don't know. It's just popcorn. It's like a dry food. Another Victoria's Secret pink. This is like a velour animal print. Just says love pink on the back. Haven't been saying sizes. This is a large. And then this is a Matilda Jane women's top, size small. Thought that was cute. That looks like almost unworn. But strawberries always do well this time of year. So decided to get that listed up. And then I got these Laredo boots. And these Sorel. Oh, let's see what size. Those were a women's 6. And then some Sorel wedges. These are a youth girls 4. But yeah, they look almost unworn. Like really nice shape. I was like, that's probably my favorite thing that I got. And I got 2 of
You sure the popcorn wasn't your favorite?
these dirty Crocs. I'm gonna just throw these in the washing machine, but yeah.
Oh,
These will
like
sell
rain
for
boot
like-
Crocs.
Yeah, they'll sell for like $25 each. So basically just in these Crocs that I'm showing you, I'm gonna get my money back because then I got 2 pairs. I don't know if they had twins or they just liked having 2 pairs of shoes per, like the same kid having 2 pairs, but 2 pairs of those. And I had a pair of these. I don't know, something's weird with these laces. So this only has like these ones that somebody added aftermarket, obviously. And I'm wondering if this is the second lace just all tied.
Oh.
So I'll have to untangle that. But otherwise we have extra laces around
Yeah.
for things like this. So they were cheap. I'll toss them in the wash. Converse wash in the washing machine. So. And then I just grabbed these. I don't normally buy this brand, but they weren't that expensive. So aerosols, they looked almost unworn, like probably worn once or twice. And wedges, I don't like heels that much, but wedges are the heels that I usually get if I do get heels. And then last but not least, just got two Revere wear pants. These were probably like, I almost didn't want to pay their prices, but this was $4. This one was 10, but I think this will sell for at least 30, maybe a little more plus shipping. I don't really know about the frying pan. We still have some other randoms that we can do small lots or something if we want, but yeah, that's what I got. I'm gonna quickly count up how many items and then kind of divide it up. So, all right, so it looks like 27 items, technically 29 if you count the candle and the popcorn that I got for myself, but if not, we're just gonna call it 27 divided by what I spent, which was $71.80 with that 3% fee. So it comes out to $265 per item that I'm going to resell. So when I type these in our spreadsheet, I'll just, go line by line and then just copy and paste the same price down on the cost of goods for all, instead of typing in Grace in LA jeans $3, Build-A-Bear $2.
Right.
Instead of doing that, I'll just do $265 for all of them. So yeah, let me know what you guys did you like anything I got?
I had one question with the Timon and Pumbaa. Would you sell that as a set, or would you sell them separately?
I was thinking about selling them separate, but I think a set might be actually better, right?
I think so. I mean,
all of the
you
ones I
can't have
saw were
Timon
just
without
singles.
Pumbaa. They're kind of like
They're best buddies.
soulmates, right?
Yeah. So, yeah, well, maybe I'll try a lot, and then if they don't sell in 30 days or so, I'll split them up.
All right. All right, so that is that quick little estate sale. I think you didn't spend too much time there, right?
Maybe like an hour.
Yeah, hour. So I think she did all right. What do you guys think? What was your favorite thing that she found? Let us know in the comments below, but that's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.